One of the most useful knots you can use to tie off, say if you need to drag a log or just tie something off to a tree, it's called the timber hitch. You go around the tree, or any object really, and you double it back over itself, so you're creating a slip knot. But instead of tying a knot, you're just going to wind it around the tag end. And the more you tighten, the more it binds on itself. You can pull a truck out of a ditch, you can attach something to anything you want to. All right, so you take the tag end, flip it around whatever you're tying to, and you're going to create a loop. And then you take that tag in with, I don't know, 1.5 feet maybe of rope, and you're just going to twist it several times. 3, maybe 4. I wouldn't secure that to anything that you might fall off of if you're trying to tie yourself to something. But it works really good just to tie off a load, or if you have to temporarily tie a line to a log to drag it or something like that. Works really good.